Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Kazi Faiz Ahmed Dollar. Basically, I am known as Designer Dollar because I do freelancing and I am a professional graphic designer and video editor, and I also make motion graphic. So today I am going to show you how can you get more orders from Fiverr and get more clients. Because we all know that Fiverr is a Israeli company, or Fiverr is a Israeli website. So we have to go to the profile section, click on the icon and go to the profile, and after going to the profile you can have to go down, and under the description tab you can see the languages, and you have to edit the languages from here. And to change the languages you have to click on the just edit, and basically you can edit from here. Just delete the existing words, and after deleting the existing word you have to write the Hebrew, because Hebrew is a Israeli language. This is the language, and I'm done. And you have to change the languages to Hebrew, Spanish, English, French and German, whatever you want to collect here. So that's it. This is the technique. After following this technique, inshallah you should see the changes. And that's all. Thank you so much.